You gonna cook a pepper? Wave to the YouTube world. Wave to them. Say hi, YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
Hey folks, welcome back. Tell you what, I got some wings inside there thawed out, need to be cooked, and I just about ran out of time to make a video this week, so I'm gonna bring you along for the ride on these wings. Got some seasoning I've never used before, and we're going on the Weber Kettle today, guys. No griddle. Sorry, I know the griddle lovers want me on the griddle, but I haven't used my kettle in a while, so I'm bringing you along for the ride. Let's go inside and season this chicken up. Alright guys, I have never used this seasoning before. It's a Twisted Q Wicked Sweet Bourbon. I don't know if I can get that for you to see. And it smells really good. And I thought I'd go ahead and do it on these wings tonight.
What's that?
Smells really good. Get the other side. The charcoal comes up to temp, we're going to dump it, and we'll see you outside at the grill. Just my standard 50-50 pour there. So bring this up to temp. Got my vent on bottom about halfway, same on the top. We'll try to regulate this, see where we go, and see what happens. Get this show on the road, guys. Alright folks, because I'm gonna go indirect over here because I want to allow some smoke to get on this. I will grill them off in the end, but for now, go a little indirect. It is hot out here today, guys. Typical August weather. There we go. I got one chunk of oak wood. Since we're going with that bourbon theme, I'm going to go with that oak. Let this thing smoke away. Oh yeah, we got some color going on, guys. I'm gonna move some of these. I'm gonna move all of them over the heat, guys. We're gonna get some fire going too, so. Oh yeah. Time to grill them off. We'll have to watch them. It's pretty hot fire, so. It is hot out here, guys. Keep my rag out of here and hopefully I don't sweat on everything. We'll come back and turn these here shortly. Gotta keep an eye on them now, guys. Keep them moving. Bad boy back, so some others up here close in person. Lads cook faster than the drums, guys. Remember that. Notice I'm pulling some of these back off of the heat. We're gonna start glazing here pretty soon. I'm temping these. Yeah, we're very much there, guys. Got one little straggler over here. The rest of these are coming off. I'm gonna pull a few off to the side. I don't want to glaze them. I want to taste that seasoning. And of course, I do not hit record when I glaze them, so I'm gonna flip them and show you that. These look amazing. I hope they taste half as good as they smell here, guys. Let's pull these things. I got my 3 that are completely unseasoned or unglazed. They're all seasoned. I want to taste them separately, so I'm pulling them off to the side. Everything else, get them inside. All right, I'll get a couple of these without any glaze right there. And of course, I want some with the glaze right there. Gotta get some of these flats in here. As a side, I just got some of these potato salad that we just picked up at our local box store.
Papa, you see that? See the salad? You see that?
Can't leave out some baked beans here. Always go well some barbecued wings. And I mentioned that it was hot out there, guys. Woo, boy. I was trying to show you outside. I don't know if it come through or not, but I was using the glaze on this was the Sticky Fingers, the Kentucky's or Sweet Kentucky Bourbon. I've used it before. It's really good. Again, the seasoning is the Twisted Q Wicked Sweet Bourbon. And we're gonna give this a taste right now. First one I want to taste without any glaze at all. I just want to taste that seasoning. Did I mention it was hot? Tell you what, I'm getting ready to taste it with the glaze, but I would certainly eat that without any glaze at all. That is awesome, guys. That's the, let's say it again, the Twisted Q Wicked Sweet Bourbon. I don't know if you can see that. Very good, guys, very good. Let's go in here with, flat. It's got glaze on it. Definitely adds to it. I'll be right back, guys. I'm into this. Alright, guys. It is so good. You know, I come up with this on a whim. I had another cook planned, but with me grocery shopping and everything today, it didn't work out with the timing. So I did this on a whim. It worked out delicious, guys. Check out those seasonings and that barbecue sauce if you haven't already. Thank you so much for joining us, guys. I do appreciate each and every one of you. We do this every Saturday. I love it. I'm having a blast. And we're going to continue this as long as we can. So, guys, thank you again. Hit that like button and subscribe to us if you haven't already. I'll see you next week, guys. God bless you. Bye-bye.